Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And look at the boards. Today's topic is alphabetical order. It means that by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify and arrange words in alphabetical order. So, how to begin this lesson? Yes, by singing alphabetical song. Students, let's sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good. Thumb up. Now, can you please come out and write down letters here for me? Come. You can ask students to come and to write down letters like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And you can assign numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Student, what is the first letter of alphabet? This is A. What's about the third one? This is letter C. What's about the seventh one? This is letter G. Good. Thumb up. When we have to arrange the words according to the alphabetical order, we have to keep this sequence in our mind. Are you ready to play a game with me? Are you? Yes, good. Now look at the board. What I am going to do? I am writing some words here and you have to read the words. Read ink, trick, goat, bad, horse, jelly, fish, eggs. Are you ready? Now you can help them or you can ask them you can ask another student to write down letters here. C, D, E, F, G, H. Now help them to find out the word beginning with letter A. Is there any word beginning with letter A? No. Is there any word beginning with letter B? What is this? Where is it? This one. Bad. You can ask a student to come and to write down the word bad. What's about C? Yeah, this is trick. What's about D? D. No. What's about E? Yes, this is eggs. What's about F? Yes, this is fish. What's about G? This is goat. And what's about H? Yes, this is horse. It means that we have written these words according to the alphabetical order. Now we can do this. We can erase this. And now the words are in an alphabetical order. Before opening the book and doing the exercise given in the book, what you can do, you can divide the students into different groups and you can give them flashcards of the words and you can ask the students to work in groups and to arrange the words alphabetically. After this, you can introduce this page of the book. You can help them in reading the words and then you can ask them to use their brain. With the help of these numbers, they can arrange the words into alphabetical order. Thank you very much.